Hi friends, good to see you back again. Last day we talked about a vowel rule where when we have vowel pair, usually two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and says its name. Well, I also told you that that doesn't always work. So in the next couple of videos, I want to talk to you about some exceptions to that rule. Some vowel pairs that also make other sounds other than the vowel name of that first letter. So today, I want to talk to you about the vowel pair EA. So here are some words that follow that rule of two vowels going walking. The first one doing the talking and saying its name. So these words are going to say E, which is the vowel name for E. Eat, meat, beast, beast. So that's your first step. Try that first. If it doesn't work, then we're going to have to use a couple other strategies. So sometimes EA will say the vowel sound. Let's try it. Ed, bread. Ed, spread. So if you try the vowel name E, in the case where it's EA, and the first vowel you would try its vowel name. If it doesn't work, our second strategy for EA would be to use the vowel sound but I have another strategy for you because sometimes those two don't work and we need another one. Now sometimes EA will say the vowel name for A, which is A, such as great, break. Do you hear that A sound in there? So EA will actually make three different sounds depending on what word it's in. We need to make sure that we try them out, see which one works, especially if we're reading in a sentence. So I have a sentence down here for you. We're going to try it. So first we'll try the vowel name E, then the vowel name for E, then we'll try the vowel name for A. We'll see which one we think works. So I had, oh, and I see here an EA word. So first thing we're going to try is the vowel name E, greet. I had a greet. Well, greet is a word I know, but let's try the vowel sound gret. It's not a word I know. Let's try the vowel name A. Great. Great. I know that word for sure. I had a great. That makes more sense than I had a greet. Let's keep reading. Oh, first of all, I'm going to underline this with my purple marker to match up with my vowel name A. Great. Now my next word also has an EA in it, right here. Let's try E, dream. Dream. Nice, I know that word. Let's try the other ones, just in case. Dram. Dram. Not a word I know. Let's try the vowel name for A. Dream. Nope. We were right. We thought it was dream, and it is. I had a great dream. This sentence is making great sense. Let me underline it with the color for vowel name E. Dream. Where I found a EA word. Well, some of you might be thinking, I know Mr. Edgar's already used the first two, so it's got to be the last one. Well, let's check. So first we're going to try the vowel name E. Treasure. Treasure. I don't know that word. Let's try the vowel sound. Ah. Treasure. Treasure. I know that word. Let's try the last one just to be sure. Vowel name A. A. Treasure. Treasure. I don't know that word. Well, if you thought that it was going to say ah, you were right. Treasure. Let's go back to the beginning of the sentence and reread. I had a great dream where I found a treasure chest. Treasure chest. I had a great dream where I found a treasure chest. That sentence makes sense. We used the 3 different sounds that EA can make, and we tried each one. Tried the vowel name first. It says E because that's most often the sound that you'll find. Second most common EA sound will be A, the vowel sound for E. And the least common, or the third most common, vowel name for A is A. So if you try each one while you're reading, thinking about what the sentence is saying, you'll get it. Okay, friends, that's all for today. I'll see you next time where I'll have another vowel pair that doesn't always follow the rules.